Hey guys, it's Miss Aguiar. This is a video for your new assignment, and this video is posting on Friday, April 3rd. So for this assignment, what I want you guys to do is to go into Google Classroom. So this assignment is going to be for ESL 3 and my ESL 4-5 group. So open your Google Classroom, so ESL 4-5 or ESL 3. So click on classwork and go to at homework. The title of this assignment is called Let's Stay Positive. So everyone's at home, we're stuck at home, but we're also safe at home right now. So I wanted to make a little assignment, a little lesson about positivity. So what I want you to do right here, it says number 1, watch Miss Aguiar's video. That's the video right now. 2, open the Google Slides document below. So this document, and everyone in class has access to it, so everyone can edit it. And then 3, you complete your part. You find your slide and you complete your part of the presentation. So let's open it up. For my ESL 3 class, it's the same thing. So you can open up your document as well. Alright, so it's called Let's Stay Positive. So number 1, you find your name. So click over on the slides. So here is my post, Miss Aguiar's post. Then you're going to go down. You're going to find the slide with your name on it, and that is where you complete this assignment. So my ESL 3 class, same thing. Find your name. That's where you complete your assignment. So then go back to the first slide, number 2. Share a positive video, photo, or news article that you saw this week. So something funny, something that made you laugh, something that made you smile, something that you can share with the rest of the class that is positive. So I'm going to go to YouTube. And I saw a really nice video this week on YouTube. I'm going to paste the title of the video. So this is the video. So you guys can watch the full video later. It's called Coronavirus, Germans Sing Bella Ciao from Rooftops in Solidarity with Italy. So I'm going to copy the link. I'm going to go back into the presentation. I'm going to find my slide, Miss Aguiar's post, and I'm going to insert the video under where it says my photo, video, news article. So I want to go to insert video. So now I'm going to copy the link, click search, and here's the video. So I click on the video, I press select, and now my video is here. And I can play it. Okay, so I know that it works. And again, you don't have to do a video. You can drag and pull in a photo, or you can add a news article that you read this week that is about something positive. So if you go back to the main page, number 3, it says write 300 words. Use correct verb tenses and punctuation. Write about why you like the picture, video, news article. Write about why you want other people to see it. So I could start, I could say, this video was recorded in Germany. The German people in this video are singing an Italian song called Bella Ciao. I like it because they are supporting the Italian people who are struggling in Italy. So this is just a start. For my 4-5s, you write 300 words. For my ESL 3 class, you write 150 to 200 words. So next, number 4, respond to 3 classmates' posts. Write something positive to them. Use the comment feature. So once more classmates start to post their positive photo, video, news article, you guys can use this add a comment feature. It's also up here. So I can click on add a comment, and you're going to write something positive to 3 classmates. So you could say, Miss Aguiar, I really like this video too. I like it because. So you continue, and then you can add your comment. So remember, so you're going to do 3 comments for 3 different classmates in your class. So that's the assignment for today. Email me, or you can text me on Remind. If you have any questions, we can also set up another Zoom time. If you need to talk to me in person, if you have questions that you don't think I can answer by email, we can always set up another Zoom time so we can talk on video. All right, so I hope you guys have an awesome week, and I'll see you soon.